Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Your car is more than just a mode of transportation. It's an extension of your lifestyle and personality. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, maintaining your vehicle's appearance and performance is essential. Luckily, the world of car care products offers a plethora of solutions to keep your ride looking sleek and running smoothly. Let's explore some must-have products that will help you elevate your car care game to new heights. Car Wash Shampoo. The foundation of any car care routine begins with a quality car wash shampoo. Opt for a pH-balanced formula that effectively removes dirt, grime, and road residue without stripping away wax or damaging your car's paintwork. Look for products that offer rich suds for a thorough clean and leave behind a glossy finish. Microfiber wash mitts and towels. Say goodbye to scratches and swirl marks caused by traditional sponges and towels. Microfiber wash mitts and towels are gentle on your car's surface while still being highly absorbent. They trap dirt and debris, preventing them from scratching your paint, and can be easily washed and reused, making them an eco-friendly choice. Wheel cleaner. Don't neglect your wheels. They deserve attention too. Invest in a wheel cleaner specifically formulated to break down brake dust, road grime, and other contaminants that accumulate on your wheels. Look for non-acidic formulas that are safe for various wheel finishes, including chrome, aluminum, and painted wheels. Tire dressing. Nothing complements a clean set of wheels like freshly dressed tires. Tire dressings not only enhance the appearance of your tires, giving them a deep, rich shine, but they also provide protection against UV rays and cracking. Choose a water-based dressing for a long-lasting, non-greasy finish that won't sling onto your car's paint. Interior cleaner. Keep the inside of your car looking as good as the outside with a quality interior cleaner. From leather to vinyl to plastic surfaces, there's a product designed to effectively clean and protect every inch of your car's interior. Look for multi-purpose cleaners that can tackle dirt, stains, and odors without leaving behind any residue. Glass cleaner. Crystal clear windows not only improve visibility, but also enhance the overall aesthetics of your car. Choose a streak-free glass cleaner that removes fingerprints, smudges, and film buildup with ease. For added convenience, opt for a spray-on formula that can be used on both the interior and exterior glass surfaces. Wax or sealant. Protect your car's paintwork and give it a showroom-worthy shine with a high-quality wax or sealant. These products create a protective barrier against environmental contaminants, UV rays, and water spots, keeping your car looking glossy and new for longer. Consider using a synthetic sealant for enhanced durability and longevity. Detailing clay. For a truly immaculate finish, incorporate detailing clay into your car care routine. This specialized clay removes embedded contaminants such as tree sap, tar, and industrial fallout that regular washing alone can't eliminate. Use it before waxing or sealing to ensure a smooth, flawless surface that's ready to shine. Conclusion. From the exterior to the interior, every aspect of your car deserves the best care possible. With the right combination of car care products, you can maintain your vehicle's appearance and performance, ensuring that it stays in peak condition for years to come. Whether you're a weekend enthusiast or a daily commuter, investing in quality car care products is a small price to pay for the satisfaction of cruising in a clean, well-maintained ride. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. I hope you found it informative and enjoyable. Don't forget to hit the like button if you liked what you saw and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.